Hello Magandan Umaga. I hope everyone is all is well, and thanks to God and giving for us beautiful life. And so we have to say thanks to God, and I said everyone should be we have to thanks to God, and I said everyone must be we have to help each other, and God saying if you help others I will help you. So I'm always saying take care your health and cure yourself. Don't keep more and more chemical in your body. So if you clean your body, same you clean your cloth, see coming beautiful cloth. If you wearing dirty cloth, you should be coming your body in smell, bad smell. So should be you keep your body the nature way. The what nature saying we have to do that one. You know, if you are doing always you keep your life in the nature, you never come sick. And today we will talk about the kidney, because kidney, you know, this is organ is our body blood making clean making and the circulation. Our blood who doing the filter, the kidney. How do we clean our kidney clean? What we have to do so we can clean our kidney? So that is not any difficult things. If you do the yourself kidney clean, you will be know, because I said your body, you are the one doctor, no one doctor. So you have to, you know, there is so many corn and cup. Just you take the corn hair, 50 gram like that, and you put 3-4 glass water and boil 20 minutes slow fire. After 20 minutes you keep it down and wait for the little bit coming cool. Then you 1 glass drink sip by sip. Then after that don't make again hot. You afternoon also you can drink 1 glass sip by sip, and evening also. You do like this same 3 days you have to do that one. This same this 50 gram you can boil again next day, because there is more properties there. So this will be, we clean, our kidney will be clean, and you will feel you don't have any swelling, and you don't have any pain or not coming any blood, because you know any disease have kidneys, they will remove this one. Same you can make your uterus also clean, your ovary also you can clean. Ovary, how do you clean? You have to get the 100 gram of cinnamon. The cinnamon is the warm property, the nature is warm, and cinnamon is so many benefit. The stick you have to, not powder, you have to get the stick cinnamon, and then so that you have to take half glass of water and then put in the 100 gram cinnamon inside, or and put in the freezer. Then coming the ice, then 8 hours like this you have to keep in the freezer. After 8 hours you remove and keep outside. When you coming normal temperature the water, then you drink sip by sip. Then again you put this glass in half glass of water, don't remove the cinnamon. 3 days you have to do that one, and drink that, your ovary will be clean. And